La Ruta Maya River Challenge. The paddlers are paddling upriver towards Belize City. So they left the Macal River, traveling on Belize Old River now, currently going towards Belize City. And then they're going to paddle into the a section of the Caribbean Sea, and then come back in, and then stop at Belize Civic Center in Belize City. Yeah, because I'm promoting the teams, La Ruta Maya. Thank you so much, sir. Who said Belize doesn't have talent is the name of this team. Thank you. One of the teams. We're in Bacon Pot. Good morning. At the ferry. This will be a second phase of the race. They're already here. 2 teams, 3 teams. Wow.
Watch it, they're winning.
Teams. Major event in Belize.
Somebody follow the tail of the race, when the tail don't pass, I want to he just to reach the tail don't pass, he just to reach follow the tail.
So who you cheering for?
Yeah, my team.
Alright, right on.
Yeah.
Brief history: Central Farm is a governmental section or department in Belize, Central America, that works with agriculture. So all this was cattle and fishery farm and different thing they do here, coconut and all these different types of stuff. This is in Bacon Pot. Bacon Pot is also a section of Central Farm. This is you? Well,
Morning matters.
all right.
Yes,
Good luck, guys. Lucas Oil? Okay. Good luck. Good luck. They're taking off and heading out to the Iguana Creek Bridge, the next phase of the race. It goes in sections and segments where the different teams can get service as they go by. And they're also station price in different locations. Coast Guard, good luck! Thanks for service, guys! Team Pat.
So, the Honorable Rodwell Ferguson, the Department of Transport Belize, and the National Sports Council of Belize, Embassy of the Republic of China, Taiwan, Black Orchid Resort, on behalf of IE Harry Adventures, BTB, Belize, Motor